The guarantee for night driving lies in the lights. Every stretch of unknown road harbors unforeseeable risks. At this time, bright lights become the most cherished safeguard on our driving journey. The S75 Pro headlight lens is undoubtedly a reliable companion you can trust for night driving. In an indoor testing environment, the S75 headlight lens outperforms its counterparts in the same category with its outstanding performance. When night falls and you drive your car into the darkness, the S75 Pro headlight lens lights up instantly broadening your field of vision. Whether it's a suddenly appearing pedestrian on the road, a broken down vehicle ahead, or an obstacle hidden in the dark, you can spot them in advance. The excellence of the S75 Pro headlight lens is not only reflected in its lighting effect. It is a perfect combination of advanced technology and high-quality materials. It adopts industry-leading optical and heat dissipation technologies to ensure efficient and stable light output. Meanwhile, high-quality materials that are resistant to high temperatures, moisture, and corrosion are selected, enabling it to maintain good working conditions in various harsh environments. To further verify the capabilities of the S75 Pro headlight lens, we conducted rigorous on-road tests. Compared with traditional LED headlights, the brightness of the S75 Pro headlight lens is significantly increased, like the sunlight of daytime shining on the road, allowing you to observe every detail of the road more clearly. The approximately 24-meter wide light pattern is like a huge anti machine safety net, illuminating all potential threats on both sides of the road. It builds an indestructible safety barrier for your journey, allowing you to drive smoothly in the dark.